Departure, I set time 3:25 this afternoon. Our flight time is 55 minutes and we should be cruising at an altitude of 28,000 feet. We expect cloudy weather during this flight. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened.
Okay guys, kumakain na kami ni Daddy. Ito yung pagkain namin sa airport. Dali, pakita ko sa inyo. So sa airport ground pa kami, hindi pa kami sa plane. Ito yung pagkain nila. 320 ito guys. Counting kanin, yan. Not bad. Tapos ito naman si Daddy ay adobo na may rice, pero binigay niya yung egg sa akin. Dapat mayroon siya. And then the drink. I don't know magkano ang drink nila. Pero anyway, ang bill... ang bill natin dumating sa... Ang Coke Zero is 100 pesos. Ang chicken sandwich is 200 pesos. Ang chicken adobo is 290. Ang corned beef with egg is 320. Ito lang nag-ano siya guys ng 950 pesos. Ayan, so yan ang pagkain, ang kamahalan ng pagkain sa airport. Diyan, yan lang siya. Kaunti. May pagkain kami sa plane, kaya lang at the moment is only 5 something. So 6 o'clock, 7, 8, mga 4 hours pa kami guys. So this is the exact amount until we get another food in the plane. And then that's it guys. We hit the Australian road and we hit Australian food for Saturday. Uy, may plane na dumaan. Dito kami nakatingin sa ano. Yan, that's our view. Let's pick up passenger. Little Flower Cafe. Oh, I'm full. Wow.
We're like Vietnam.
That's good.
For the rest of the passengers, kindly remain seated within the loading area of gate number 14. And please give way for the boarding passengers. Thank you.
Kain. So guys, naka-security check na tayo. And then, waiting na lang ng plane for Sydney guys. Gagawin. Pero ang gate namin andoon. Malayo pa. So ito guys, nasa waiting room na kami. Traveling to Australia. Tapos, kumain na kami ni Daddy. We eat sa airport lounge kanina. This is actually Terminal 1. So galing kami ng Bacolod.
For Sydney, it's full. And we may have an overflow package in the overhead compartment. We are looking for passengers who would like to check in another piece of their hand-carry baggage as to reduce overhead compartment congestion. To those who would like to check in another piece of their hand-carry baggage, as for free of charge, kindly approach in
Free of charge.
number 10. Thank you.
Fully booked.
So okay guys, we are now about a couple of hours. 10:30. Mga, oh, 10:30. So we have about a couple of hours until our flight. So dumadami na guys yung tao na pumapasok. Tapos may Brisbane kami na kasama sa flight na to, going to Brisbane, at saka Sydney pareho ang flight number. So maybe mauna siguro ang Sydney. So Pag mahuli man ang Sydney, oh my goodness, what are we going to do? Kaya siguro late kami. But anyway, it's good. Tumatawag sila ng mga tao na gusto maglagay ng hand carry nila sa luggage. Pero the reason na wala kaming luggage kasi mabigat. And the reason na hand carry lang kami kasi matagal din mag-line up kumuha ng bag. So, para mabilisan lang, yun na lang. And anyway, wala tayong magawa. It's going to be like that. It's hard to travel with luggage. And they keep asking us na why we don't have a luggage. So, make it easier for them. So, yeah. Anyway, malapit na oh. 16, ha? And then by the time you get to Australia, another wait again for your luggage in the carousel. So you're better off just traveling light. Travel light na lang kami ni Daddy. Anyway, this trip had been not too bad. Even though na umalis kami ng maaga sa Bacolod, mga mga 9 hours kami ang waiting, but you needed that to get through the checks and everything. Kailangan namin yun na naging maaga kami. So may 2 hours pa kami guys na mag 2 hours and a half pa nga na mag flight. But anyway, ano ang laman ng bag ko habang nagtatravel? Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. O ayan, ito may tayo, wipes, may toothbrush ako dyan, toothbrushes, dala ko yung eye drop, may sanitizer tayo dyan, ayan. Tapos obviously may mask, may Panadol, ayan, and then ayun, may Panadol tayo guys, and then may rosary tayo dyan, ayan. Ito, binili ko sa airport guys, ang ganda niya. Yan, so publisan natin sa Australia yan. Yan. So, had been good. Tickets, passports. Australia, ang tatak ng passport natin. Ayan. Tudu. So, may mga extra tayo na phone. May tissue. Luma na mask. Itapon na natin yan. May suklay. Saka may pa ko dito lang sa power bank.
Yun. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.